how to create an effective FAQ section using answer engines. In today's edition, we delve into an intriguing case study on how to create an effective FAQ section using answer engines. This approach not only enhances user experience, but also streamlines the information retrieval process for businesses. Let's explore the key findings and insights from the study. The study focused on the implementation of answer engines in creating a dynamic and user-friendly FAQ section. Researchers analyzed various industries to determine the effectiveness of automated responses compared to traditional FAQs. By examining user interactions and satisfaction levels, they aim to establish a clear relationship between answer engines and improved customer support. Who did it and why? The study was conducted by a team of researchers from Tech Insights, a technology consulting firm specializing in user experience and AI solutions. They undertook this research to understand the impact of advanced answer engines in managing FAQs, motivated by the increasing demand for efficient customer service solutions in a digital age. Their goal was to identify best practices that companies could adopt to enhance their customer engagement strategies. The results. The researchers conducted their study by selecting a diverse range of companies across various sectors, from e-commerce to telecommunications. They implemented answer engines that utilized natural language processing, NLP, to automatically generate responses to frequently asked questions. The results were compelling. Companies that adopted this technology reported a 40% increase in customer satisfaction and a 30% reduction in the time spent resolving inquiries. User feedback highlighted the convenience and efficiency of receiving instant, accurate answers, rather than sifting through static FAQ pages. Ideas for implementation. Businesses looking to implement effective FAQ sections using answer engines can consider the following ideas. Integrate AI-powered chatbots. Utilize AI chatbots that can answer common questions in real time, enhancing user interaction on your website. Data-driven insights. Analyze customer inquiries to identify the most common questions and train your answer engine accordingly for better precision. Regularly update content. Ensure that the information in your FAQ section is frequently reviewed and adjusted based on new data, trends, or products. Utilize multimedia. Enhance your FAQ section with videos or infographics that provide visual explanations, catering to different types of learners. Feedback loop. Establish a mechanism for users to provide feedback on the answers they receive, allowing you to continuously improve your answer engine's performance. By following these strategies, businesses can create an FAQ section powered by answer engines that not only meets customer needs, but elevates their overall experience.